What if your telescope needed SPF 10 billion sunblock? NASA just gave the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope exactly that, 2 enormous high-tech sunshields. Now Roman's not your backyard stargazer. It's headed 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, out to L2 orbit, where it'll hunt for the faintest infrared signals, clues to galaxies, dark matter, and distant exoplanets hiding in the cosmic shadows. But here's the catch: to spot the coldest, faintest things in the universe, Roman itself has to stay seriously cold. So, how do you protect a multi-billion-dollar telescope from the sun's relentless glare? NASA's engineers just bolted on Roman's lower instrument sunshade, a pair of aluminum garage doors that are each 7 by 7 feet but only 3 inches thick. Imagine an aluminum honeycomb, lighter than your road bike but strong enough to survive the violence of launch. Here's where it gets wild. The sun-facing side will hit 102 degrees Celsius, hot enough to boil water, while the back will plunge to minus 135. 17 layers of shimmering polymer film act like mega sunglasses, blocking heat so Roman's detectors can catch whispers from far-off galaxies, not the sun's roar. And the drama isn't over at launch. About an hour in, the panels will slowly swing open in space, gliding on specially designed dampers for a full 2 minutes. No slams, no sudden moves, because one jolt could blur Roman's cosmic vision. Next up, Roman faces a 70-day thermal vacuum test before final assembly and a launch as early as fall 2026. Hit subscribe and get ready, because soon, we're going to see the universe like never before.